Hey, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about the limiter part 2 in under a minute.
So this parameter here, basically what it's doing is it's setting the decibel that the limiting effect is going to come in. You can use the gain to boost your track, and this will happen before the limiting sets in. And you've got a little meter here which will let you know how much of the limiting is happening. So what I'm going to do is I've put a utility here and I'm pushing this volume up so that it's distorted. So we can see a distorted signal here when the red. And if we put the limiter on, immediately we can actually see the limiter in effect here. And what that's basically doing is showing you how much of the signal is being pressed down. You've got stereo here. The switch sets how the limiter treats the stereo signals. So stereo applies limiting to both channels whenever either requires compression. But if it's set to left and right, it applies independent limiting for each channel.